Hello guys, I'm Guddu Sanya here. Today I will show you how to do a snake game in Scratch programming. So let's open Scratch. It will be like this here. It will be like this here. So let's get started. So here in the interface. So to do a snake game, we have to choose the snake sprite. You can also draw it, so I will draw it. So let's click on this outline. Take a black outline. Take a black outline. It will be like this. Crop a little bit. This is in the center. So now this will be a snake. Crop it a little bit more. Select it again. Crop it a little bit. Yes, it's okay. So let's start our project. First we make variables. The first variable will be direction. And the next variable will be length. So now when green flag clicked, go to variables, set direction to right. It's right. First, go to events again. Take this pen space key pressed. Up arrow, variables, set direction, set direction to down, so down, duplicate, it will be up. Now it will be down. I'll use down. Again duplicate. Right arrow. When right arrow key pressed, set direction to right. Same thing to left. When up arrow key press, direction to up. When down arrow key press, set direction to down. When right arrow key pressed, set direction to right. And when left arrow key pressed, set direction to left. See. Now it will not work. We have to finish this code first. So when green arrow clicked, set direction to right. Go to the motions, go to X, go to X, 36, Y 28. Go to X will be 0. We have to start it from the middle. So X. Go to X 0, Y 0. Now take this forever loop. Then take this if then loop. Then take this equals block from operators. Now write it up. up. If then go to variables. If direction is equals to up, then change y by 5. Change y by 5. Y by 5. So let's duplicate it again. Sorry, this go here. Duplicate. Adjust with down. Change y by -5. Duplicate. Left. Take this out. And take this. Change x. Change x by -10. Duplicate. Then adjust right and right 5. This one is 5. Then just wait a minute. Yes. Then go to the events block. No, go to the control. Then go down a little bit. Create clone of myself. Put it here. Okay. Then take this up. When I start as a clone, wait length seconds. So we'll take this. So this will take this length variable from here. Length seconds. Wait length seconds. Delete this clone. Means if you click on the green flag, it will act on the commands of the right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow. And when I start as a clone, wait length seconds mean it will grow for 0.1. It will grow. Then it will delete the clone it's making. So delete this clone. Okay, so we have finished our snake part. So let's rename it with snake. Now we have to make it eat. Then it will be longer. So let's hover the mouse over the sprite button and again paint costume 1. This time take the fill red. It will be stick. The snake will eat and it will grow longer. So we'll make it stick. Yes. Take this. Okay. Then right here and then just bend it from here. Sorry, background sounds. Now take circle, take the outline, also, and yes, take this here, just stick further. Set the size to 20. Set the size to 20. Or a little bit more. 30. 30 is okay. 30 is okay. Yes, 30 is okay. Let's do this to 50. Size to 50. Yes, it's okay now. So now we'll go to the stick. We'll rename it. We'll rename it as stick. So first we'll go to the code now. So now again we'll go to the events block. When green flag clicked, go to X, go to motion, go to X, pick random, -240 to 240, Y pick random, Y. vertical length is minus 180 to 180, and the horizontal length of the stage is minus 250 to 250. Okay, so we'll go to the operators, or no, sorry, we'll go to the pick random operators. Take this pick random again, pick random, go to X, pick random, minus 240 to 240, and then again pick random 180 to minus 180. So it will be placed anywhere. It will be placed anywhere if you click on the green flag again and again. So now, then take an even block. Then take an forever block. Then take an if then block. If and then loop. Then go to the sensing part. Touching mouse pointer and set it to snake. F touching snake, change length 0.1. Touching change length by 0.1. Go to X. Again we go to the motion block. Go to the X again. You can also duplicate it here. I'll just duplicate it from here. Duplicate. No. Then delete this. Put it here. So we also have done our streak. So now for making it more challenging, so we'll put a background. So let's go to the background. Search background. Let's see. Let's type in forest. Done. I'm choosing this one. You can choose any of this. You can choose jungle, winter, woods, anything you want. I'm just choosing forest. So we have put this here. So for make it look more challenging, we'll go to the snake. So now I'll select it. We'll make some eyes and we'll make the eyes. So let's make the eyes. So color 12, saturation 0, brightness. Okay, then okay. Now more. So now you can use fill. Take this fill. Now take the saturations to 100 and the color 72, brightness 100. So saturation 0. So put it here. Okay. So now we'll take a brush. Then we'll take the brightness to 9. Okay, 9 is okay. So I'll put here like this. So here is a snake. So let's play the game and see if it's working or not. Okay. So let's start again. Just wait. Wait a minute. Sorry for the delay. I just made a wrong here in the direction left. I mistakenly put 5 in the place of -5. So it's working now. You can fix the problem. You can put it as -5. So let's check it out. See, click on the see now. See, it's working properly. It's working properly. Working properly. So we have put here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share this video to your friends. So for now,